Now, when it comes to learning how to do affiliate marketing and actually making money from affiliate marketing, there's one program that I always recommend. I talk about it all the time, and it's actually one of my top three affiliate marketing programs to promote. And the name of that program is called Infinity Processing System. Now, I became a member of IPS a little over a year ago, and to this day, it is still helping me make money online. So no matter what membership level you come in at, whether it be the $50, $150, or the $300 level, you're going to get access to a private coaching group. This is where all paid members come in. We help each other out. We motivate each other. We share different marketing strategies. And it's just a cool little close environment. All right. So recently, one of our members posted some of their results and they were just like phenomenal. All right. Check this out. Boom. All right, you see David here. He has made over $15,000 in his first 44 days after joining IPS. All right, think about that for a second. In like a month and a half, he has generated over $15,000, basically going on $16,000 just from using the things taught in IPS and actually promoting the IPS system. All right. So, I mean, so many people talk about, making money online, wishing they had a way to do it. They want to get into affiliate marketing. They want to start earning commissions. All right. This is a legit opportunity to do so. Right. But you do have to put in the work. You do have to put in a real effort. Once you become an IPS member, you're going to have access, right, to everything that David had. You're going to learn exactly how to start earning commissions. But just because you get the knowledge, don't mean you're going to start making money. You do have to actually apply the things that are taught inside of Infinity Processing System. Now, you might be hearing me keep saying about membership, $50, $150, $300. Now, I have nothing against network marketing companies. I actually am in a network marketing opportunity, but Infinity Processing System is not network marketing. So whenever you decide to join IPS, there's three levels that you can choose from. There's the $50 starter level, there's the $150 elite level, and then there's the $300 pro level. Now at the $50 starter level, you actually do get a lot of good quality training, but once you get up to the $300 level, you're going to get access to all of the training and everything you need to start earning $300 commissions. Now, ever level you come in at is the amount of commissions you can earn. So if you come in at the $50 level, you can only earn $50. If you come in at the $150 level, you can earn $50 commissions or $150 commissions. Now, if you come in at the $300 level, like I did, you earn commissions on the $50 commissions, the $150, and even the $300 commissions. Now, when I say membership, this is only a one-time fee. So it's one time. So this is not a monthly $50 a month. If you come in at the starter, if you come in at the elite, you're not going to be paying $150 a month. And the $300 level pro, you're not going to be paying $300 a month. This is just a one-time membership fee and you're good to go. You'll be involved with our payment proof group. You'll be involved with our coaching group and you're in there for life. All right. Now to be 100% real, because I tell people this when they sign up, there is a one-time fee, $25 to set up your actual affiliate site, right? So if you do come in at the $50, just know you'll get access to all the training and everything, but you won't be able to get your affiliate link and all your tools set up until you pay a one-time $25 fee. There are many people in our group that is making money with IPS. All right, it's a fact. All right, but yes, it's affiliate marketing. This is not an hourly type job, right? It all depends on the grind and the effort that you're willing to put in. All right, but once you join, you're going to get all the training that you need to start earning with this system. So if you're ready to join the Infinity Processing System team, all you need to do is click the link in the description and get started, and I will see you on the team. Now let's get this money.